Hello guys, my name is Verekboth Tara and I am a sophomore majoring in civil engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to solve an engineering static exercise using PermaLearn. And I have picked one of the exercise. It is exercise 7.53, and they want us to draw the shear and moment diagram for the beam. And this is our beam right here with two joint, and joint A and joint B, and also the load of 1.5 kilonewton per meters, and the beam is 3 meter long. So now we're going on to PermaLearn, and we're going on to the member section right here, and you're gonna go on to the horizontal distance. So it is this distance right here from joint A to joint B, which is 3 meter. And there is a guideline for you. There's a small symbol right here, which is a guideline to show you which way is a positive, which way is negative. So on going to from left to right is positive, and our beam is 3 meter long, so you're just gonna type 3 meter in and click on add, and there is our beam right here. You can also call it a member. And next we're going on to the support section, because there is a support on joint A and support on joint B. So support on joint A is called a roller support. So you're gonna click on joint coordinate A, and we're gonna click the support type. As I mentioned, it's a roller support, and just gonna click on add, and there, and this is symbol right here is a roller support symbol. Next is the support type on joint B. This support we call it a pin. So we need to select on the joint B coordinates and select the support type to pin, and click on add, and we got this pin support right here. Now next we're going to add the load on this member, which is 1.5 right here, and we're going on to the distributed load. So we're gonna select member. Our exercise only have one member, so we're gonna select member 1, and we're gonna select load type. It is a vertical loads because it's going downward on the y-axis. Then this is our beginning loads. As you can see, beginning loads, as I mentioned earlier, the small symbol is the guideline for the direction of our load, and you can see on the figure right here, this load on joint A is 0, so we're gonna type 0 in, and at the end loads you can see it's 1.5 kilonewton per meter, so we're gonna type minus 1.5 because the direction is going upward, is positive, but our figures right here show us going downward, so we're gonna put negative and click on add, and there you go. We have a similar image, similar members and force and loads as this figure right here. You can hover your mouse onto this. You can see minus 1.5 kilonewton per meter. And now we have everything filled in, so we're going on to the solution. So the solution, they want us to find shear and moment. First we're going to select the option on shear force and click on display, and we got our shear right here. Let me zoom in for you, and you can hover your mouse on this first shear force right here, which is 0.5 kilonewton meter, and the second one is minus 1.5 kilonewton. And how to make sure this is correct, I recommend checking on the solution manual, and our solution showing right here is 0.75 and minus 1.5, which is the same, so we're doing this correctly. Next we're going to find the solution on the moment, and now we're gonna deselect on shear force and select the bending moment option and click on display. And now we got our bending moment right here. And you can hover your mouse on this point right here. You show us the solution 0.83 kilonewton meters. And that is it.